Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn useful English at the airport. You'll hear a simple conversation between Mikle and Lucy as they check in, go through security, visit the duty-free shop, and board their flight. Listen carefully and try to learn some new words and expressions along the way. Today's question: which gate are Mikle and Lucy flying from? Pay attention to the conversation and try to find the answer. Let's get started.
We made it with plenty of time.
I'm so glad.
I hate rushing before a flight.
Me too. It's always better to arrive early.
This airport is huge.
It is. I've flown from here a few times.
Everything looks so busy.
Airports are always full of people traveling somewhere.
I wonder where everyone is going.
Probably all over the world.
That's exciting to think about.
It really is.
I feel a little nervous.
Is it your first time flying from this airport?
Yes, it is.
Don't worry. I'll help you with everything.
Thanks. That makes me feel much better.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, it's in my jacket pocket.
Perfect. Keep it somewhere easy to reach.
I also have my phone and my ticket.
Great. We'll need them soon.
What's the first thing we should do?
Let's go inside and check the departure board.
Sounds good.
Come on. Our trip starts now.
Look at that screen. It's enormous.
That's the departure board.
There are so many flights.
Yes, every departing flight is listed here.
How do we find ours?
Let's look for our flight number.
Here it is. Flight BA274.
Great. Now read the information next to it.
It says the check-in counter is C18.
Perfect. That's where we need to go.
I also see our departure time.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, it says on time.
That's exactly what we wanted to see.
What would it say if the flight was late?
It would say delayed.
I hope we don't see that today.
Me too.
And what's this letter and number?
That's our gate.
Gate A16.
Right. We'll go there after check-in and security.
Good. I was wondering when we'd need that information.
It's always a good idea to remember your gate.
There are so many people standing here.
Everyone is checking their flight.
I'm glad we found ours so quickly.
Me too. Now, let's head to check-in.
Good morning. Welcome. May I see your passports, please?
Good morning. Here you are.
And here's mine. Thank you. Let me find your reservation.
Sure.
I found it. You're both flying to London today.
That's right.
Are you checking in any luggage? Yes. We each have one suitcase. Please place the first suitcase on the scale.
Here you go.
Thank you. The weight is perfect.
Great.
And the second suitcase, please. Here it is. Thank you. This one is fine as well. That's good to hear. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? I'd love a window seat, please.
And I'd like the aisle seat.
Let me check what's available. You're lucky. I can give you seats next to each other. Perfect.
Thank you.
Boarding begins 40 minutes before departure.
Thanks.
Do we need to do anything else before boarding? Yes. Your next stop is the security checkpoint.
Is it easy to find?
Very easy. Just follow the signs for security. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you. Let's go.
So, where do we go now?
We need to find the security checkpoint.
I don't see it.
Look for the signs.
Oh, there it is. It says security.
That's the direction we need.
This airport is really easy to navigate.
The signs help a lot.
I also see signs for different terminals.
Yes, large airports usually have several terminals.
Do all flights leave from the same terminal?
Not always. It depends on the airline and the destination.
I'm glad we don't have to change terminals.
Me too. It saves time.
There are a lot of people walking this way.
Most of them are probably heading to security too.
I think I can see the entrance.
Yes, the line starts over there.
It doesn't look too long.
That's good. Sometimes the wait can be much longer.
Should we get our passports ready again?
Yes, we'll also need our boarding passes.
Mine is already in my hand.
Perfect. That will make things quicker.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. Let's join the line.
Good morning. Boarding passes and passports, please.
Here you are.
And here's mine.
Thank you. Please place your bags in a tray.
Do I need to take my laptop out?
Yes. Please put it in a separate tray.
What about my tablet?
That should go in a tray as well.
Should I take off my jacket?
Yes. And please remove your watch, too.
Okay.
Is everything ready now?
Almost. Please make sure your pockets are empty.
I have my phone and my keys.
Please place them in the tray.
Done.
I'm ready.
Great. Please walk through the scanner one at a time.
I'll go first.
You're all set. Please continue.
My turn.
Thank you. You're good to go.
That was easier than I expected.
I told you it wouldn't take long.
So we're finished with security?
Yes. Now we can relax a little before our flight.
Great. I'm starting to enjoy this trip already.
We still have plenty of time before boarding.
Yes. Would you like something to drink?
That sounds nice. I'm getting a little thirsty.
There's a café just over there.
Let's go.
What would you like?
I'll have a bottle of water.
Just water?
Yes, I always drink water before a flight.
Good choice. I'll get a coffee.
Hot or iced?
Hot coffee, please. I could use the extra energy.
The sandwiches look good too.
They do, but I'm not hungry yet.
Maybe we'll eat after we arrive.
Sounds like a plan.
Hello. What can I get for you today?
One hot coffee, please.
And one bottle of water. Anything else?
No, that's all.
That'll be £7, please.
I'll pay by card.
Go ahead.
Done.
Payment approved. That was fast. Here are your drinks and your receipt.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Let's sit down for a few minutes.
Good idea. Then we can walk through the duty-free shops before we go to our gate.
Perfect. We still have enough time.
Wow, this duty-free shop is much bigger than I expected.
It has almost everything.
Look at all the chocolates.
They're very popular with travelers.
And over there, perfume.
There are a lot of different brands.
It smells nice in here.
They always let people try the perfumes.
I also see shelves full of cosmetics.
Yes, and there are souvenirs over there.
I like those little model airplanes.
They make a nice gift.
Do people usually shop here before their flight?
Some do, and some shop after they land.
Should we buy anything?
I think we'll wait until our return flight.
Good idea. It'll be easier to carry our bags.
Exactly.
I'm glad we had time to walk around.
Me too. It's interesting to see what's here.
I think we should start heading to our gate.
I agree. It's probably a good time.
Which way do we go?
Let's follow the signs for Gate A.
There they are.
Come on, it's this way.
Hopefully, we're getting close now.
We are. It shouldn't be much farther.
Gate A should be somewhere down this hallway.
Yes. Let's keep following the signs.
Look at these huge windows.
The view is amazing.
You can see the entire airport from here.
And look at all those airplanes.
Some are arriving and some are getting ready to leave.
I could stand here for hours.
Me too. It's fascinating to watch them.
See that plane?
The one that's moving?
Yes, it's heading toward the runway.
Does that mean it's about to take off?
Exactly.
I love watching airplanes take off.
Me too. They look so powerful.
And over there, another one is landing.
You're right. It just touched the runway.
Everything happens so quickly.
Airports never really slow down.
I'm glad we stopped for a moment.
We still have enough time.
Oh, I see another sign.
What does it say?
Gate A16 is just ahead.
Perfect. Let's go.
I think we're almost there.
Yes, just a few more steps.
We made it.
Gate A16.
Good thing we came early.
I always feel more relaxed when I'm not in a hurry.
There are still a lot of empty seats.
Most passengers haven't arrived yet.
Let's sit over there.
Good idea.
I think our airplane is still outside.
Yes, they're probably getting it ready.
What are they doing?
They're loading luggage, cleaning the cabin, and preparing for boarding.
I never thought about everything that happens before a flight.
There's a lot going on behind the scenes.
I just got a notification from the airline.
What does it say?
Boarding will begin in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. Everything is on schedule.
I'm getting excited again.
Me too. Let's get everything ready.
Passport?
Right here.
Boarding pass?
In my hand.
I have mine too.
Great. We won't have to search for anything.
Here we go.
Let's join the line.
Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding passes, please?
Of course. Here you are.
And here's mine.
Thank you. Your seats are in row 18 on the left.
Thanks very much.
This is exciting.
Welcome aboard. If you need any assistance, just let us know.
We will. Thank you.
Here are our seats.
You have the window seat.
Just the way I wanted.
I'll take the aisle seat.
Where should I put my backpack?
You can place it under the seat in front of you.
Okay.
I'll put my suitcase in the overhead bin.
Need a hand?
No, I've got it.
Everything is ready.
Almost.
What's left?
We need to fasten our seatbelts.
Done.
Mine too.
I almost forgot about airplane mode.
Good thing they reminded us.
I can't wait for takeoff.
Me neither.
Our trip is finally beginning.
Enjoy the flight.
How was the story? Before we finish, let's go back to the question from the beginning. Do you remember it? The question was, which gate are Mikle and Lucy flying from? Please, write your answer in the comments. I hope you learned some useful English words and expressions for traveling through an airport. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!